Good morning guys, in front of me is WIKO U Pulse and let me show you how to add a fingerprint to this device. First open the settings, then select fingerprint and go to fingerprint. Click on continue. So at first you have to set some backup to your fingerprint unless you already have one. Let me choose pattern, draw it, tap on continue, draw it one more time. And now manage the notification content. So I would like to hide all notifications, tap on done, and now it's time to place your fingerprint on the sensor. The sensor is located on the back cover of your device over here, so just keep tapping till your fingerprint is fully added. You can observe the progress on your screen and you'll be informed once it is fully done. And that's it. Now you can add another fingerprint if you wish, or click on done to finish the whole operation. And from now on, you'll be able to unlock your device with this fingerprint only. Let me do it one more time. Okay, so let's draw the pattern this time and let me do it one more time. Okay, so as you can see now, I unlocked it with fingerprint only. So that's it, that will be all. This is how you can protect your screen with fingerprint. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.